up YouTube, it's Yuzi here, and today I've got an update for you, and today I'm going to show you Nightcrawler, the UK Blu-ray Steelbook exclusive from eONE and HMV. It's still sealed, so let's open it up and take a look. So here we have the front. It's a matte finish. Nightcrawler is debossed, and we also have some spot gloss in a few areas. I'll move the Steelbook, see if you can see the spot gloss. So there's the front, the top, the bottom and the side. On the spine it just says Nightcrawler. On the back we have some more artwork, and once again we have some areas of spot gloss. Open it up, take a look inside, and we have the Blu-ray disc. Remove the Blu-ray disc, and we have some artwork at the back. Now we see this is region B, and the runtime for this movie is 117 minutes. The audio is English 5.1 DTS HD Master Audio and 2.0 stereo audio description. Subtitles are English. The special features: audio commentary with Dan Gilroy and Tony Gilroy and John Gilroy, and behind the scenes. So there we have a very quick look at Nightcrawler, the UK Blu-ray Steelbook exclusive from HMV and eONE. I think this is a really nice looking Steelbook that goes with a great movie. That's definitely worth a pick up. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video. Please rate and comment, and if you like Blu-rays, why not subscribe to my channel.